Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chippin, and today, as you can see, I'm at Texas Roadhouse. I'm about to eat and bring their menu to you guys. Now let's get eating. Peace. Once you come through the front, right on your left, they have all these fresh steaks. They have these fresh steaks that you can choose as to, like, if you're very choosy about how you want your steak cut, a particular steak, you can choose right from there. And if you're not sure about that, you can just come sit down like I'm doing right now and just order straight from your menu. Once you sit down, you have these dinner rolls for starters, and that's for free. That is on the house. You don't know what time it is. About to eat. They look good. Yeah, so with the dinner rolls, you add some sort of butter to it, and then you're good to go. This here is the menu, and oh man, they got a lot. From starters to salads to burgers and sandwiches. They got kids meal, hand-cut steaks. Yo, it goes on and on. Bone ribs. You don't know what time it is. So yes, they got a food menu, and here comes the drink menu. All right, they got lots of drinks. See, they have all the cocktails, all the margaritas that you want. Like, they have a host of variety to choose from. They got a wine, a Texas pour. It's about to go down, guys. It's about to go down. Thank you. Thank you.
We'll be right back.
Okay. So I'll take the 20 ounce
Gotcha. So the
bone-in ribeye and the shrimp. Then the side is gonna be, I get two sides, right?
You do get two sides.
Right. So mashed potatoes.
Anything on those? Brown gravy, cream gravy, butter, bacon, cheese, sour cream.
Butter.
Butter, okay.
Right. And house salad.
Eggs, tomato, cheese, crouton, come with house salad. Is that okay?
Eggs. Yeah.
Just eggs? So eggs, tomato, cheese, crouton?
Yeah, all that.
Okay, all that's cool.
Right.
Gotcha. And your dressing?
I'm sorry?
Dressing? So low-fat ranch, Italian, oil and vinegar, Caesar, 1,000 Island.
I'll take ranch.
Ranch?
Right. So I got the Legend Margarita, and it's super good. Just look at it, it's enormous right here. That's a huge glass. I don't know if I can even call this a bowl. You see this here? It comes with a Patron. This is the Patron right here. So this one, we just, you know what time it is? One time. It goes one time. You gotta be 21 and above though. Our salads. So our starters are coming up. So this here is a cactus blossom. Yeah, it's actually like onions and stuff added to it. And then this is the sauce here. I don't know, it actually looks to me like yum sauce, but I'm not certain yet. And then we have here our salads. You don't know what time it is. It's about to go down. We're gonna go ahead and start with the salad. This is called a house salad. And mix it up. so good. Yeah, this is it right here. So we got some croutons here, some cabbages, some cheeses, tomatoes. You don't know what time it is. And ranch. Here comes the food. Oh, gotta make space.
And you guys want some A1 sauce or anything? Yes, if you have it. All right.
Thank you. Thank you. Just look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. This is like a mountain of food.
Sorry about that, you guys. Sorry. All right, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you. So the shrimp is here. Just look at it. This looks so good. Just look at that joint. Just look at it right there. And here is our steak with lots of onions and mushrooms on top of it. This is the actual steak right there. It's huge. And those are mashed potatoes with butter on top of it. It's about to go down.
Big potato. Yep. Side salad.
It's good.
Honey mustard. Everything. Yep.
So I'm gonna begin with a shrimp, all right? So with my fork, I'm gonna take one out.
He's gonna have the beef strips.
Yeah, there we go. See that? Look at that joint. And I'm gonna dip it. And the sauce, I think this is butter. Right. Look at that. Look at that drip. Oh my God. Yo. This is so good. Like, so good. Satisfying. Thank you.
Because he can.
It's 2 tables.
Super good, right? Going for second round. Don't know what time it is. Ooh, yeah. So I'm gonna try the steak. The big steak. I had my medium well. Toss on some onions. Some onions and some mushrooms. That's a big mushroom too. Delicious. Man, this is delicious, right? It's not chewy at all. It doesn't melt in your mouth, but it's not difficult to chew at all, to swallow. It's super delicious. It's just as you want your steak. You know what time it is? It's great. The onions and the mushroom complement the flavor and the sauce of the meat. This is great right here. This is what you would want. You know what time it is? So after all that food, for a table of 2, right? It's time to pay. And trust me, it's so affordable. For all that food that we had for 2 people, we could not even eat it. We have packages for takeout, all right, for takeaway. So this can actually feed, for the amount that we're about to pay, this can actually feed like 4 people, right? And just to let y'all know, it's super, super affordable and delicious too. Hey guys, don't know what time it is. My boy Chippin, we done right here. Food, and you know what? We could not even eat it. All right, so we had a package and taking it home. You know how we do on this channel? We don't waste no food at all. We don't waste nothing. We eat everything. Texas Roadhouse. It's about to go down. Peace.